JCTimer. Deep work sessions designed exactly the way you work. A desktop app by Clavely Apps that replaces the classic 25-minute Pomodoro with something far more powerful. Programmable workflows with your own activity blocks, breaks, and music built to reach deep focus and hold it for hours. It all starts by choosing a profile. Create one for each context: management, product development, research. Each profile keeps its own flows, settings, and audio, completely independent. The heart of the app is the flow editor. Here you define the exact sequence you need, chaining activities and breaks in any order you like. And you group them into blocks that repeat as many times as you want. Forget the rigid 25-5, you build the rhythm that truly works for you. Take this example: 45 minutes of research, a 5-minute break, 45 minutes of development, another break, and the block repeats twice. Over 3 hours of deep work, planned in under a minute. Every activity comes from a reusable preset. Define it once, with its duration, its background, and its music, and use it in any flow. Change the preset, and every flow that uses it updates too. Define once, reuse everywhere. The same goes for breaks. You can have a short 5-minute break, a long 15, and every type in between that your day needs. For power users, the editor includes a text mode. Define your presets in a simple syntax, 1 line per entry with a name and a duration, and JCTimer turns them into editable visual blocks. When your flow is ready, you launch it with 1 click. The timer runs, blocks follow one another, and between them a transition screen announces the next step and lets you start it when you're ready. In settings you fine-tune everything: the active profile, the alert sounds when each activity starts and ends, the volume, the animated background, and the overall appearance. A key feature is Spotify integration. Connect your account once and JCTimer controls playback during your sessions, on whatever device you already have active. The music changes with each block without you touching a thing. In the audio section you build playbacks, the playlists that go with each block. Local files, a whole folder, or a Spotify premium playlist. In order or shuffled, looping, or just once. Then you assign each playback to its preset. Reading with lo-fi, development with electronica, review with ambient. Every block switches music automatically, and that switch becomes a cue your mind learns to read. And this is a real session in action. The timer runs, the music plays, and a mini player lets you control the track without leaving the screen. Skip songs, adjust the volume, pause, and resume, all in 1 click. JCTimer is available for Linux with an installer for Ubuntu and a portable build for other distributions. Windows and Mac OS are coming very soon. You get full access to the app, with no limits and no ads, and every update included. And you start with a 7-day free trial to put it to work in your own workflow, no strings attached. JCTimer by Clavely Apps. Design your own rhythm of work. Learn more at jctimer.app.